Hey guys, this is Joe Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a car that looks similar to this, or just like this. It works pretty well. It just needs some outer coating and some designing that you guys can do however you want, but with this skeleton it is very tippy because it's not finished. But this video is just for the purpose of showing you how to start a car in Scrap Mechanic. So this works for survival, creative, whatever you want to make it in, and it's a pretty nice car. And yeah. So the way you're gonna want to make this car is all the things I have in my inventory. That should be all you need. You're going to need this stand, the tool, this tool, an engine. Either one works, but I'm using these gas engines today. You're going to need a seat, and you're going to need these rotating wheel things, an actual wheel, a block, a button, and a short suspension or whatever suspension you want to use. So what you're first gonna want to do is place this here. Then you're gonna want to make a 9 block wide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, you're going to want to place this here. And then you should have around this. So you're going to want to have this shape. This part is unfinished. You don't have the full base, but I'll just finish that up right here and a little bit back here. So this is the basic shape you're gonna need. You're gonna need the seat, and then you're gonna need 2 sides, 2 blocks on either side for the engines. So you're gonna put one engine right in the back of the seat. So right here, corresponding with the back of the seat, and then one engine here, also corresponding with the back of the seat. Same thing here in the front. Now you're going to want to change all the gas engines. Well, first you are going to want to connect them. So connect your seat to all the gas engines, like that, and then raise them all to here. And once you've done that, you're going to want to go down here and then place 2 of these rotating thingies right here. Now the reason for this is because these are the mechanisms you're going to be using to turn your car. So you're going to want to get back up on the car and then connect this to here and this to here. You're going to want to make sure that they're both going this way, because that way you can turn them back and forth. And then you're going to want to put a suspension here, but first you need to put a block. The suspension here and there. And then you're going to want to place a block right on the bottom. Gotta raise that up a bit more. And remember, this is not an exact thing. You can do this however you want to and create it whatever design you want to. This is just the basic car. So now you're going to want to place it in the back. Just down so that it is even. You can check that by dragging one all the way there. So now it needs one more block at a time. You can just cut that off. Okay, so now it's even. This is going to be 4 blocks long in total because the suspension only takes 2, and this, or 3, and then it's going to be 5 blocks long. This is also 5 blocks long. So now what you're going to want to do is place this here, and this here. Then you're going to want to place a wheel, and a wheel. Now that those are connected, you're going to take this, and then connect it to this engine. you're gonna take this, connect it to this engine, take this, connect it to that engine, take this, connect it to that engine, and then that should be all set. Now you're gonna want to cut it off here and change the direction so they're all rotating this way. And now your car should be moving and turning correctly, as mine is. But on the other car, as you saw, there's a booster, which makes the car go faster. You can control the booster to go at whatever speed you want. Personally, I keep it at a low speed because I don't want it to cause the car to be too tippy. So, okay, so guys, you're going to want to look up thruster, and then you will find this thruster. You're going to drag that in. It can be in place of the stone block that I have right now because I'm not using that today. And you're going to want to put the thruster in the back or in the front, whatever direction you want to have it going in. I'm going to turn this to 4 because I don't want it too high again, like I said. Now you would think you might just connect this to the seat, but then when you connect it to the seat, that only allows you to use it when you're moving. So what I like to do is place a button. This can go wherever you want. You can place, say I wanted to place one on both sides for symmetrical purposes, but you just connect the button to the thruster. You don't have to connect both, only one will work, so you're just going to connect one. This is just, again, for symmetrical purposes, unless you want to use it for something else. So then you're just going to press the button you bind it into, the button, and then press the button, and then you'll be going around fast. So that's the basics of the car. Now, as you can see, I'm flipping over quite a lot, so what I like to do is add a better design, but to do that I need to take this off. So I'm going to put this here, put this here, take off the button, put this here, put this here, just to stabilize it a bit more, and if it falls it should stay a bit more upright than it usually would. Again, delete this button. This is just my personal design that I like, but you guys can make whatever you want. This is a completely open cross multiplayer, game where you can just do whatever you want, which is why I really like this game, but did this one wrong. So you're going to want to hop in now, and you can see it's in sort of a skateboarding shape. So now that it's here, you can add your booster right there, you can add your button, and then add your other button. Again, you're going to connect the button here, and then connect the button to here. So now, when I hop in, I can drive it around, and as you can see, it's a bit more steady. It's not tipping over a bunch. It works pretty well. So yeah, guys, that was how to build a car in Scrap Mechanic. Again, I know I've said this multiple times, but this is just the base. Don't think this is just the end of a car, because you can add so many things to this. This game has endless possibilities, and if you're interested, I would recommend getting it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, guys.